Welcome to this demonstration of the investment decision framework, seamlessly integrated within our collaborative tooling environment. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete workflow, from the moment the framework owner releases a data request to the electronic form completion by the program team, through a semi-automated scoring process that generates a quantifiable score, and finally, to how a register of benefits is maintained for audit by the project management office. This tool is designed to assess the likelihood of realizing a cash releasing benefit, ensuring transparency and informed decision making at the business case stage. As the framework owner, my task is to initiate a new data request. I switch to our investment decision framework module from the central dashboard and click on the Release Data Request button. A structured electronic form appears where I enter all the necessary details. For example, I provide a clear title, a detailed description of the required information, and set a deadline for submission. I also specify the target programs that will be responsible for completing this request. The framework is designed to capture all relevant parameters, from strategic objectives and benefit calculation methods to evidence of prior benefit realization and partner involvement. Once I fill in the form, I hit Submit, and an immediate confirmation message indicates that the data request has been successfully released to the designated program. Now, as the program manager, I receive an automated notification that a new data request has been released. I click the notification and the corresponding electronic form opens. This form includes the original request details and provides additional fields for our response. Here I input our cost estimates, outline the expected benefits, and specify proposed timelines for the project. These details align with the framework's parameters, such as ensuring that strategic objectives are met, benefit calculation methods are followed, and partner involvement is clearly documented. After carefully entering all our data, I click Submit, and the system confirms that our response has been recorded. After the program manager submits the response, our system initiates a semi-automated workflow. All the data provided is securely stored and then processed to generate a score. This score is based on a comprehensive evaluation of the response parameters, such as whether strategic objectives are clearly defined, if a standardized calculation methodology is followed, and if there is evidence of benefit realization. For instance, a lower score indicates high certainty in realizing the benefit, while a higher score suggests greater uncertainty. Once the score is generated, it is shared with the relevant stakeholder, such as the project lead or decision maker, ensuring that everyone has a clear, quantifiable measure of the investment's potential. In addition to the automated processes, our framework facilitates real-time collaboration. Integrated chat and video conferencing tools enable team members to discuss data entries, clarify doubts, and provide immediate feedback. For example, if the program manager or data analyst identifies any uncertainties during the validation process, they can instantly initiate a chat or schedule a video call to resolve the issues. This real-time communication ensures that the entire workflow remains fluid and responsive to any emerging challenges. Finally, the system automatically updates a comprehensive benefits register. As a PMO administrator, I access this register, a dedicated module that captures every benefit associated with a data request, along with its calculated score and related metadata. This register is designed for ongoing review and audit. It includes fields for benefit descriptions, scores, submission dates, and the responsible program. The register is fully searchable and allows us to filter data for detailed analysis, ensuring that every decision is transparent and auditable for future review. An essential part of our framework is continuous feedback loop. After the automated scoring, both the framework owner and the program manager have the opportunity to review the score and associated data. If any issues or suggestions are identified, they can provide feedback directly through the system. This feedback loop allows for immediate corrections or additional information to be submitted, ensuring that the evaluation remains accurate and reflective of the most current data. The iterative process further refines the quality of our investment decision making. Our framework is not an isolated system. It integrates seamlessly with a range of external analytics and reporting tools. The IT team has ensured that our system securely connects with third-party dashboarding solutions and data warehouses. This integration means that real-time data and evaluation metrics can be further analyzed in external systems like Power BI or Palantir Foundry, providing richer insights and extended reporting capabilities. Secure APIs and data connectors guarantee that all data transfers adhere to the highest cybersecurity standards. To support ongoing strategic decision making, our system also includes a robust performance metrics and reporting dashboard. This tool provides senior management with real-time insights into key performance indicators, historical trends, and comparative analysis across different programs. With interactive graphs and filtering options, decision makers can drill down into specific data points, enabling a granular view of both individual and aggregated performance metrics. This dashboard not only serves as a tool for performance review, but also as an early warning system for potential issues, ensuring that corrective actions can be taken proactively. In summary, our investment decision framework within FTP Plus streamlines the entire collaborative workflow. The framework owner releases a detailed data request. The program manager completes the request through an intuitive electronic form. A semi-automated workflow processes the response, generates a score based on rigorous criteria, and shares it with key stakeholders. Finally, a comprehensive benefits register is maintained for future review, and audit by the Project Management Office.